Flying in Dubai is unbelievably special. Not only are we flying amongst unusual terrain like sand dunes, but when you get nearer the downtown, it's the man-made structures. It's the enormous buildings. There's a Palm Jumeirah, all of the massive buildings of the marina, the giant big wheel, the biggest Ferris wheel in the world, 1,000 feet, and we were going past it at 200 feet. Well, we're here for probably the most audacious, bravest display Dubai's ever had. It's going to be the reawakening of Dubai after COVID for the 25th Dubai World Cup, and they planned this extravaganza. A world record for lasers, 700 drones with pyro drones, an amazing light show, and of course Aerosparx. As we get lower in display, the grandstand at Meydan just gets more and more impressive. Our final pass is at 50 feet, so we've worked out a flight path to keep clear of the floodlights on their really tall stands. As we start climbing up again, we get this amazing reveal as the skyline of Dubai and the Burj Khalifa pop up behind. Man, that is just the most magic moment. Tragically, Sheikh Hamdan passed away as we were out here training, and the organisation completely changed the format of the display. Fireworks are seen very much as a celebration here in Dubai, and so very quickly we realised that we just didn't fit into their beautiful tribute to Sheikh Hamdan. Well, on this occasion we didn't achieve our full Aerosparx display, but we had an amazing time here in Dubai, and we are really looking forward to coming back sometime soon.